When it comes to preparing for the CAT, there are some tests that just look at your ability to solve questions, and they look at how many concepts do you know, and how good are you at solving these questions. And then there are some mocks that help you learn the concepts, expose you to new question types, new concepts, and that is basically how you improve. So in this short, I will discuss the Career Launcher Mock CAT test series. So the first thing that comes to my mind when I talk about the Career Launcher Mock CAT test series, and this is something that I have experienced as a student and also as a mentor, is that the tests are usually extremely balanced, which means that they do not really have one dominant section which is incredibly difficult in nature and a couple of sections that are very manageable. It does not happen that way. All the sections are perfectly balanced the way they should be. Also, if you look at the tests that are there, there are CDC Pro tests, there are CDC Flexi tests that are there, depending on whether you want to take it in a particular window or you want to take it at your convenience. And all these mocks that you have are equipped with video solutions, and there is expert analysis that is there, either recorded analysis or expert analysis after the window is done for the mocks that we have here. Also, if you look at the kind of analytics that are there, because just taking a mock and looking at the score is not going to give you any benefits in the long run. But if you look at the AI driven performance analytics that are offered by Career Launcher, it will help you figure out the areas where you need to improve, the areas where you could have done slightly better, and then you can move on and do great things in life. And also percentile benchmarking. So CL mocks are preferred by a lot of the toppers that take the test, and because of that you will be able to figure out where you are in terms of the competition. So that gives percentile benchmarking. Also, if you look at the ecosystem of CL, there are topic wise tests that are there, there are daily practice doses that are there. So all these things you can do. Also there is adaptive practice, there is a part of the portal. So all these things you can experience if you're a part of the CL ecosystem. So do make sure that you check out these mocks that are recommended by a lot of aspirants over Reddit and other social media that are there. And personally, I have found them to be the most balanced mocks out there. I also have taken some of the CL mocks in the form of live test solving attempts. So do check out those videos as well to get a feel of what kind of questions do we get and what kind of analytics do we see. So do check out the mocks offered by Career Launcher if you are looking for something that will aid your CAT preparation, and wish you all the best with your journey ahead.